Alright guys, so here before building the rest of the section, what I'll do is that dot w full dot max w7xl, so that this becomes completely responsive without tearing in extremely large or extremely wide screens. Okay, this is it. And here what I will be doing is that the man is giving me unnecessary suggestions I don't really like. Anyway, it's a good friend of mine. So what I will do is I will be creating one component here, recents.tsx rafc recents. Okay, and here section, always take care of semantic HTML guys, always, I'm telling you. Here in the section, definitely class name width will be full. h2 recents. Okay, is it added on our home page? My screen recorder is popping up every time, I don't really like it. Oh, it is coming here, I don't want it here. Yeah. So let's do one thing, mx auto as you see. Now what I will do for this is that my I will set to 10. Alright, actually empty let's set to 10, and the margin bottom I will see later on. And here in this class name, text excel, font semi bold, border B. Looks good. Or text, okay, 700. How about this? Or maybe like 800. This looks good. This looks good. Like I feel that this is better. But if you want to add black, then you can add that as well. That's up to you. Anyway, I'm not here to teach you UX design. Now what I will do is that I will be creating one card component. So first I will be creating that here only, then I will be moving to somewhere else. Dot flex full dot wrap2 dot py will be 2 as well, and dot flex wrap for sure. Items will always be moved to top. Okay, that's it. There will no justify content. Okay, so tab 9 is already generating it for us. Look at that, man. Just look at that. Tab 9 has already generated this for us. I want to see the border of it, how much it is. Oh, that's really nice actually. I just want to do it, like in vertical flex call, I would say. Item center, no, item start, I would say. So, alright, and here P will be 2. Description is lorem 34 alt Z. So here rounded LG, or maybe better have a shadow LG. Okay, the shadow is coming. What if I like border like this? This one is decent. Okay, so let's like trim the description a bit. No, we don't really want to show unnecessary content. And after this, what I will do is that I will be adding a, okay, this is a view button already. Now here it should not be text gray 600, it should be text blue 300, not 300, it should 500. Alright, and type will be button only. So the like better semantic HTML, and over text blue 800 and cursor pointer, so that we know that this is a link. Here I will say gap will be 2. Yeah, I definitely want to give some gap. Okay, view, and I can add some other options as well, like so text red, delete, gap 2, like this. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I will be creating one folder again. Recents, inside this I will create one file, recent card.tsx race. Here I will add this, this card. Okay, this one is a card. Recent card. As you can see, nothing has changed. Alright, so I will be looping through an array later on, but that is how you like build the recent card. Okay, and we will be then passing the props. For now, this is it in the recent section. Now I'll be building the shared section. Okay, basically, I just plan to display a table, and there we will be showing our content. And the table will not be having like unnecessary functionalities. That we will be doing the custom implementation, not through any kind of library. Okay, so yeah, let's start building the shared section.